Inflate a balloon of any color, but not all the way, leave a little margin of any size. Take the balloon close to the knot and fold it in the palm of your hands. Gently press the crease area between your wrists until that crease is pushed away and disappears completely between your hands. And hold it that way for a few seconds. Then, you must first ease off the pressure from the base of your hands and gently move your wrist outwards to let the bent part of the balloon come back out. And then secondly, you ease back the top of your hands and gently pull your hands away from each other to free the rest of the balloon. And once it's released, the balloon stays bent into the shape of an angle. Let's do it again. Fold the balloon, press the two wrists so that the bent part of the balloon disappears into your hands. Wait a couple seconds. Open gently your wrists. Open gently the top of your hands. Voila! There is a second method, which sometimes can make a much pointier angle. Fold the balloon again inside your holding hand, so that the band of the balloon comes out of your hand. Next, with the thumb and the forefinger of your twisting hand, gently pinch the tip of the band. Then, just as gently, twist that little bit of latex until the air is completely pushed out. And then you just have to gently release the twist for the air to gradually come back into the crease. Then, release the two segments of balloon that were pressed into your palm. And that's all there is to it. So you can practice again. Fold the balloon, pinch it, twist the pinch half a turn only, release the pressure gradually so that the air can enter back into the crease, and then release the two sides of the balloon. That's all there is to it. Fold the balloon within your holding hand. Pinch the outside of the crease with your twisting hand and twist it very gently, half a turn only. Then, gradually release the pressure so the air comes back into the crease, very gradually. Then release the two sides of the balloon slowly. Now sometimes, when you pinch and twist the balloon, the air pressure may not come back automatically into that crease. In that case, you may have to pump the air back into it yourself manually like that. This usually happens at the end of the balloon where there is not too much pressure. Et voila! This is the way to make sharp angles on twisting balloons.